If you are unable to access your Coinbase account due to lost verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Coinbase login page. Go to the official Coinbase website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address associated with your account and click Continue. Step 2. Click on Need Help. On the login page, look for the Need Help link. This will direct you to the account recovery options available. Step 3. Select I can't access my verification codes. Choose the option that states you cannot access your verification codes. This will provide you with specific instructions for account recovery. Step 4. Provide account information. Fill out the required information, including your email address and any other details requested to verify your identity. Be as accurate as possible to expedite the process. Step 5. Follow the instructions sent to your email. Check your email for further instructions from Coinbase. Follow the steps provided in the email to regain access to your account, which may include answering security questions or verifying your identity through other means. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to recover access to your Coinbase account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for additional assistance.